Ki Pulit Jylla hagas Khubor Kila Sei Metiap jong Trophimos Kharmaulo National Pinter ubala sha keno sha thombor hagi dekhot jong Village Defense Party USP ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem ulo ong baka jingse ya kamet karaslam namar kasun beneng kabasniu hinrei menta kasngi ladeble ya ka postmortem hagate ke jakahi Ki Pulit menta kirang ap ya ka kaipot postmortem ban pintikna ba uteu briu uri ba Shah Pyniap ni uyap ni kibai pat kidau Uba siem ulo ong ru ba ki Pulit kidang to kit bniah ya baro ki saki sabun kin thop ya ki video bat ki brio ki badon ha kate ke jaka ha ka por bajia kat kum ke jing tokin la pintikna bakala don ke jing yakinat ha yeng jong unong yam bat ke VDP bat urang ba shnong kila tuklar ha kate ke por Haduh minta khat wai ngut ki brio ki ba sha ke no don kti ha ke ni ke mukot duma kila yo jamin lupa hindrei ke jing tokin kadang ya chakman
The body was supposed to be exhumed on Friday, but due to inclement weather, the body was exhumed today. Postmortem was done on the spot. We will await the postmortem report to ascertain whether the person was murdered or whether it was or whether he died from a natural cause. Thereafter, we will take a call whether we to move move court for cancellation of the bail, and thereafter cause arrest.
Initial assessment,
Sorry?
is it body decomposed or what is it?
Yes, it's been since 7th of April, so it is decomposed. But let us hope we will get some clues on the cause of death.
But from your preliminary
investigation is still on to actually really ascertain whether the assault by VDP, yes, it is a fact that some assault had taken place due to an altercation and issue which happened in that household where the VDP and the headman had to interfere. But we to ascertain whether the assault caused the death or whether it was self-inflicted and or it was a natural cause. That will all be clear after the postmortem report is out.
So has the video been sent for examination?
Yes, in fact, all angles to the case, right from the video, people who were there, we are trying to ascertain more witnesses into the case, and thereafter come to a conclusion and whether these people are guilty or not.
But the police have been able to identify all those who were there in the video, or
no, the process is on. 11 people have taken anticipatory bail. That means their involvement is surely there. Other witnesses who were bystanders or who were present on the spot, we are trying to ascertain that because they become independent witnesses to the case.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.